speed to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, the summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay young forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running.
Hello friends, welcome or welcome back to another vlog. I just did my hair after working out and eating breakfast and everything. So this is what it looks like. And by the way, happy Valentine's Day. I'm just going to be doing a like date night at home kind of thing. So we're prepping pizza and just making the environment look cute, nice, romantic-y. But yeah, I just want to show you guys my hair, and I'm going to try to do my makeup a little special today just because I feel like it. So this is what it looks like in the back. It's still damp right now, and obviously this is the front. Okay, I'm going to attempt to do my makeup in front of you guys. I know it's not easy. I'm using this, I don't know, Max and More thing. There's like a piece with the eyeliner-ish, and then a part here, like a little sponge for like smudging. And I haven't really used it, to be honest. I did play around with it a little bit, but don't really know how to use it exactly. So I'm gonna go with something like that, and I'm gonna try to smudge it out now. I don't know if that's looking like something to you guys, but I'm trusting the process again. Not a pro. I'm gonna do the other side. A little too hard, I think. Just passed in my eye. Oh my god. I'm gonna try that in slow motion to see if you guys can actually see what just happened there because. Ow. Okay, so before we go and do anything like pizza and all those stuff, I still have one more thing I want to do, which is do my nails. And I kind of have these markers that are for like glass and all of those things, and it's supposed to like wash off. I'm just going to verify for the markers, but if they do function the way I want them to, I'm going to be decorating some glass cups that I have with like hearts and just make it cute and just add to the vibe. But as long as when I wash it, it can come off, then it should be fine. I'm actually going to be making some Kool-Aid just to put in this like silicone heart-shaped thing that I have to make some ice. I was planning on decorating my glass cup, but I can't get the instructions on if it's washable, so I don't want to mess up my glass clip, so I'm just gonna do this instead. Don't need a lot of this actually, it's just to get the color, and I guess you could just use water and food coloring to get the color, but I'm doing it this way. Okay, I finished making the ice heart thing. Now it's time to make the pizza, which is basically assembling stuff because I bought like already made dough and stuff. So I'm just going to be putting on the different toppings and I'm going to try to make it in a heart shape. Okay, while the pizzas are in the oven, I'm going to prep the environment, romanticize the environment, and get into my pajamas. We're probably gonna do like a movies or a series night and just chill. So that's what I'm gonna do now.